Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy skill, how to move an object within an image using Canva. If you've ever wanted to adjust the position of something in your photo, maybe shift a person to one side or move an item so your design looks more balanced, this is going to save you a ton of time and frustration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Canva's magic grab feature to quickly and easily move objects around inside your images. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just sign in with your account or create one for free. Canva's interface is really user-friendly, so don't worry if you haven't poked around too much before. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see a purple Create a Design button right up at the top. Go ahead and click that. Now for this tutorial, let's pick a custom size for our design. This is helpful because sometimes you want an exact workspace that fits your project, rather than scrolling through tons of default templates. Select Custom Size and let's set it to 100 by 100 pixels. It's a tiny space, so if you'd like a larger canvas for your own project, that's totally fine. But for now, 100 by 100 keeps things simple. After entering the size, click to create a new design. Canva will bring up a fresh, blank canvas for you to start working on. Now comes the fun part, adding your image. Find any photo you want to experiment with, maybe one from your uploads or from Canva's library. Just drag it onto your canvas. If you're using your own photo, click Uploads on the sidebar, upload your image, and drop it onto the workspace. Once your image is on the canvas, you'll want to adjust its size and placement so you have some room to work. Click on it to select it. You should see a blue outline around the image showing that it's ready for editing. Take a deep breath, this next feature is like magic. With the image selected, look for the Edit button near the top of the screen. Clicking this brings up a bunch of editing options, but the one we're interested in is called Magic Grab. If you haven't used Magic Grab before, it's a really impressive tool that can detect objects within your photo, like people, pets, or products, and let you move them around independently from the background. Think of it like picking up a sticker and repositioning it wherever you want. Go ahead and select Magic Grab. Canva will analyze your image for a moment. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, especially if the image is detailed or the internet's a bit slow. Once it's ready, you'll notice that the main object in your photo has been separated out. Now just click and drag that object to move it anywhere you like on the canvas. It's as simple as that. This feature is incredibly useful if, for example, your subject was off-center in the original shot, or you want to create a more dynamic layout for your design. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to move an object inside an image using Canva's Magic Grab tool. It's one of those features that once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy, practical Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.